Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 19 and I'm showing you footage from the beginning of the year. So hopefully you guys enjoy a few days in the life, and please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe at the end of this video, and we can have a conversation down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be another vlog style video, and basically I think I showed you either before or after this. I'll show you how I make my tofu scramble as well as my chai tea latte hot, which is all really pretty simple. But I also wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I got from Zara as well as Amazon. And I got 2 things from Sephora, so I'm going to show you guys that in just a second. So I ordered 3 things from Zara, and I got these ribbed leggings, and they were, I'm pretty sure they were on sale for like $10. But I got a medium, and I got them in this brown color here. So I've been wanting to try out their leggings. I have never worn them before, so I just want to see like what kind of quality they are. And then I also got this oversized sweatshirt. I have another sweatshirt just like this in a different color, like a brown color, and I think this was on sale for, I don't know, but it might be on the website still, you guys. But I just got it in black, and I got a medium, and then the other size that I got was a large, but it's pretty big if you want to wear it over leggings or something. And then the last thing that I picked up from Zara was this oversized corduroy shirt. And this was also on sale as well. I actually got another color in like a light beige / pink color, but I got it in an extra large and it was way too big for me. So I went back and I got this one in a size medium, and it fits pretty good. It fits pretty good for me, so to be oversized. I don't know why I got it in an extra large, but that extra large, I'm probably gonna give that to like Goodwill or something. And then from Amazon, I picked up 2 books because I want to get back into reading this year. I started reading Gabrielle Union's book, We're Gonna Need More Wine, so I'm about to finish that one off. And then I started reading yesterday The Vanishing Half by Britt Bennett. And so if I really like this book, then I'll do like a separate book review on it. I've been hearing a lot of talk about this book, so I wanted to pick it up and see what the buzz was about. So yeah, The Vanishing Half. And then the next book I got is by Ta-Nehisi Coates. Not sure if I pronounced his name right, but it's called The Water Dancer. And I've also heard a lot of things about this book as well, so I wanted to check it out. So yeah. And then the last 2 things that I picked up from Sephora. So one of them is a repurchase, and that is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. And I used this last year. I used the same size, and I used the whole bottle, so I really like this stuff. At first it smells kind of weird, like a vitamin. Obviously it says vitamin water, but it really smells like vitamin water, and so I had to kind of get used to the smell. But I really like this for skincare prep, for before makeup, after makeup, anything like that. So I really like this. And then I picked up the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette, Makeup by Mario. So I messed up the packaging right here, but I really like how it looks, like minimal. So, and then I also really like the palette. I was kind of on the fence about this palette. It's not something that I need, but it's just something that I wanted. And basically it has like all these nudes right here, and you can create like any kind of look. So I will definitely be doing a get ready with me with this palette one day when I have somewhere to go. But yeah, it looks really nice, so I'm happy that I picked it up actually. And that's $48. The Glow Water is, I'm not sure, but I will list the price in the description box. And that's pretty much everything that I picked up from that's pretty much everything that I ordered. They all came in at the same time, and I ordered those, I believe, shortly after the New Year. So I was surprised that they all got here in a fairly quick time frame. But I'm not sure how this vlog is gonna go, if I'm gonna have like a whole bunch of things that I do or not really. It might be like days in my life. I'm not sure how it'll be formatted, but yes, I will come back to you guys when I have something else to show you. Hey guys, so I am currently waiting in my car, waiting for my shift to start. I'm starting at 1 or 13 and just decided to get here early because I don't want to be late. But I know it's a saying that we say in the army, but people say it outside the army too. To be on time is to be late, to be early is to be on time. So I had extra time. I wasn't really doing anything in my room, so I decided to just come on early, and I'm happy I did because there's like no parking over here. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah, there's no parking, so I got one of the few little parking spaces left because I got here early. So shout out to me. And I'm gonna sit here and play Animal Crossing until it's time to go. Also, I wanted to know if any of y'all play Animal Crossing, because I literally only have like one friend on Animal Crossing. So I mean, if people want to put friend codes in, I feel like playing Animal Crossing with other people is more fun than if you just are playing by yourself. Like today I don't have much to do. Mistakenly I dug up my little 1,000 bells and then I buried the hole. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, that happened this morning while I was playing, while I was getting ready for work. So I'm about to go cash in some fruit real quick. I don't know what fruit I want to sell today. Probably my apples. I don't know. I really like selling my cherries actually, because I feel like I have the most cherries on my island, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I just have my mask on. When I go in my workplace, I don't always have my mask up, but I always have my mask on me just in case, you know, people that I don't know into the office. Like I work in a customer service environment kind of, so there's always different kinds of people coming in and out of the office. But yeah, wanted to know if you guys played Animal Crossing. And yeah, I'm just sitting in here chilling until work starts. After work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably I need to go running, and it's unusually warm today. Well, not unusually, but it's like 45 degrees today, so that's warm enough to go running. So that's probably what I need to do. I also might start doing Animal Crossing play like videos, and if something interesting is going on in the town, because as we all know, Animal Crossing is a day by day type play, but it's also like, I feel like it mimics real life. Like not that much happens in your everyday life, and not that much happens on your island everyday life. But coming up for me, I don't want to say I'm in the beginning stages of the game, but I have not gotten KK to come to my town yet. So Tom is trying to get Nook is trying to get me to, you know, get my town up to par so that KK can come and have a concert on Saturdays, which is like, you know, one of the basic things that happens throughout the game. So I'm trying to get my residents up, and I'm building up my tickets to go find a perfect resident, because last time y'all, I was so mad because this person named Snooty ended up in my town, and I'm like, who is this? Like, I did not want this person in my town. And I was mad because I was like where'd this person come from? Like, So it's kind of on me because it was during the holidays, and I asked, I was at home just visiting my family, and I asked Nook, like, what do I need to do, because I had downtime, so I was playing the game more. And he was like, ask Isabel, blah blah blah. So I asked Isabel, she was like, go ask him for land to sell. So I sold the land, or I set up land to sell. And then I was like, you know what, I kept on thinking in my head, I was like, I have time to go to another island to find a resident. And girl, no. As soon as, like, I think I had like a couple days, but it was right around New Year's, and I honestly just forgot I had other things going on. And then next thing I know, I turn around and somebody named Snooty is in my town, and I didn't want them there. This is the second person that's in my town that I don't want. So I have this other villager named Zell, and then the other person named Snooty. The other people that I've grown to like, but it's just like, some of them I don't want, you know, like Rocket, he can go, Zell, he can go, Snooty can go, Cobb is cool, Cobb is a pig or whatever, Lily's cool, and Winnie's cool. Those are the ones that I like. I even kind of miss Egbert. I had Egbert, which was a rooster, and I kind of miss him because when I was looking for a Zucker, which is an octopus, I finally found him. I was like, oh, finally, like a decent looking villager, because the other people that I was coming across, I could not get like, I could not find a good looking villager, and I was just like, I can't. Like, it made me not want to play the game anymore. So I was just like, all right, like, I need to take a break. But I am right now saving up my tickets before I even go and ask Nook for land to sell, because I need to figure out who I can get. I have 16 tickets saved up, and I'm gonna get more. So yeah, but let me go, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, the workday is finally over, so I'm about to head back up to my room, and I'm about to head back up to my room, and then probably, I don't know, I should go either to the gym or go work out or something. I might go to the stadium if it's still open and run the stairs or something like that. Yeah, but we'll see what I'm about to get into. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am at the track. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but it's right behind me. So I'm about to go out here and maybe run the stairs and do like a mile or so. I wish I came out here more, but it's like after work, if you come out here after 5, y'all already know the sun is setting, and that's a big deterrent for me. But I should start doing stuff after work, like around where I stay and not somewhere where I would have to drive. But yeah, let me go out here and get this workout in real quick. I would take you guys along, but there are other people out here working out, so if I do get any footage, it'll probably be something quick, like stretches or something like that. But yeah, so I will come back later.
You can't see anything in this thing.
Hey guys, so it is a completely different day, and I'm not sure if I'm going to show you what I did during the day. I probably will, maybe like one little clip that I could get, but I'm hungry. It's the end of the day and I don't feel like trying to make anything, so I'm gonna go get some food from Qdoba and probably eat that, and I'll show you the food that I pick up. So yeah.
Bye.